Greetings to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Aisa Madrigal Timbal. I am 30 years old. I am a single parent and have one daughter. I am a high school graduate and a college undergrad major of English. I am kind, trustworthy, and hardworking. My job experience: I became a housemaid for 2 years here in the Philippines. I serve 2 adults and 2 teens. My duties are cleaning, ironing their clothes, washing dishes, washing dirty clothes. I take care of their pet dog too. I became an Airbnb cleaner here in the Philippines. I can take care of a baby too because I'm a mother also. I prepared the song for the baby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Mom and sir, if you will hire me, I promise I will do my very best to do my duties and follow your rules and regulations. And I promise to finish my contract until the very end of my work. Hoping to see you soon. Have a nice day.